Drove through a town called Effort, Pennsylvania. Way to go. Way to go. Good job. Way to give 110%. Good try. Proud of you. Good morning. This is Hiker Dude Dad. Welcome to Beltsville State Park. Number 6 on this swing. We are near Jim Thorpe, PA, just east of it. We are at the far eastern edge of the park right now. We are going to look for Wild Creek Falls. All right, so Beltsville State Park, 3,000 acres, kind of a horizontal east to west park along Beltzville Lake. That is a 950 acre lake. Beltsville Lake is fed by the Pohopoco Creek. Pohopoco Creek. Excellent trout stream though, and feeds Beltsville Lake. We are in Carbon County, maybe a couple miles into Carbon County here, between Jim Thorpe and Jonesville, near Effort, Pennsylvania. And there are 15 miles of hiking trails and lots of pine here, man. This trip, we are definitely checking out the evergreens, the coniferous, very large trees. Beautiful. Smells great too. Smelling like Christmas, but don't skip Thanksgiving yet. It is November 22nd, and this is stop 6 on a Northeast Pennsylvania 6-park swing. I'm walking right past the Wild Creek sign. I think I need to turn down there. I'm tired after this trip. I'm gonna go home and rest this afternoon, I'll tell you that right now. So almost immediately after taking the correct turn, man, you come to this big valley here that goes down to Wild Creek. So I think we are going to be taking a very steep drop here, so that means later we'll be climbing. Beautiful, beautiful trail though. These evergreens are great. We are past the peak fall foliage, so I was definitely not expecting to see much, you know, wintry landscapes, but I'll tell you what, with a lot of mountain laurel on some of these trails and the evergreens, and in some places spattering of snow, this has really been a very scenic, colorful trip, which is awesome. Well, I do see some water down there between those pines, and I hear it. I hear it. I hear Wild Creek. I hear the falls. Let's do this. This is going to be a short little hike, I think. Yeah. Beautiful sunny day. Descending through the laurel, through the pine. Look at that water straight ahead. Trail just coated with down leaves. Alright. No swimming, wading, or diving in this very shallow looking creek. Duh. Beautiful little oasis down here. Look at that little island in the middle. Got a bridge over here. Just came down a little walkway. The trail actually goes up this way. Some steps down to this bridge. Alright. Well, I hope that's not it. I think the trail's going to continue going up here, but yeah. Over there is where we just were. Beautiful clear water. soon as you cross the bridge here, there's a fenced off area leading up out of the valley on the east side. Looks like they're rehabbing an area here. I want to keep people off it, so that's good. There we go. Let's get down there closer to that. All right, here we go. There's our falls we're looking for up there. Oh, ledge and drop off here in front of me. Probably a way to climb down there. Yeah, I was just standing right here saying there's got to be a good way down. So I'm over on another rock, another ledge. So I still haven't found the way down, which is a shame. I'd love to get down there. Don't have any rope with me, unfortunately. This path, call it a path, it's not really. It's promising, but yeah, I don't know. I'll go check out the main falls and then maybe come back this way. Absolutely stunning down in here. Right there was secret path, I believe. I'm still moving down here. This little gully. Yeah, here we are. Yep, down water level. There we go, that's where I wasn't gonna come down. Got you. Oh, there's an echo in here. Echo. All right. Now, walk right out on the falls here. There we go. First fall. Beautiful. Oh man, stupid me, I left the 360 in the car. Okay, eat well after this. I haven't had a real meal yet today. Just like 2 bars and an apple. Good place to recharge though. Alright, so here is 950 acre Beltsville Lake. I drove down to the day use area here. Huge lake here with a lot of little coves and everything. The beach here is closed, and for some reason they put up a ugly orange fence here, but it closed early this year. You know, you could swim here, boat, whatever, but unfortunately it closed early this year because the level of the lake was down. So we have like drought conditions here, northern Pennsylvania, and the lake reached a certain level and they had to close it in like early September. It'd probably been open for another month or so, but guess they had to put the orange fencing up for some reason. They could probably take it down now. It's way warmer than when it started this morning. It was 27 degrees this morning on my first hike, but now it's in the 40s, but breezy. So yeah, nobody's going swimming today. This section just blew down, so of course I'm gonna walk right out there. The dam was built by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers west of the dam. So that way there was a village called Big Creek Valley, and that was vacated in 1966 to make way for Beltsville Lake. There are almost 20 miles of shoreline here on this lake. It is absolutely massive. And the elevation here, after being up high on this 6th State Park swing, we are back down to about 630 feet above sea level. Beautiful colors in this lake. Water looks really clear. Rocks and everything down there, very colorful. Boy, I could just sit here and listen to this water all day. It's amazing. There's a covered bridge up here I want to go check out. All right, so this covered bridge doesn't really cross anything here, but this was built across Pohopoco Creek during 1841 by a guy named Jacob Buck. The bridge, when they established the dam, it would have been flooded away, destroyed when Beltsville Lake backed up. So they moved the bridge here, sort of between the beach and picnic area. We have pedestrian use only today, but back in the day it was first used by horse and buggy traffic and later by one-lane car traffic. Built in 1841. Let's take a walk. Last covered bridge I was on was said to be haunted down in Gettysburg. No such legends that I know of on this one. Haunted by graffiti, that's about it. Maybe carpenter bees. So pretty cool that they still have this here. It just doesn't really, you know, doesn't really cross anything. Building here is for Beltsville boat rentals. They pulled their dock out of the water right now. It would probably more right there. But boating, hiking, swimming, well, when the water's deep enough, fishing, hunting, biking, and cross-country skiing are your activities here at Beltsville. And just listening to the tranquil waves just lap up against the shore, that is a good activity right now. I've hiked about 12 miles here on this trip, man. I wish I had a chair. I would sit here because the sun is warm. That angle of the sun right here, oh my god, I would sit on this beach for a while and just chill. I'd probably fall asleep with the sound. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go out on the Beltzville Dam. There's all this U.S. Army stuff, you know, Corps of Engineers. So it's an earth-filled dam with a concrete spillway. The dam is 170 feet high, 4,300 feet across. The base width is 1,300 feet. The top width is 30 feet. Tunnel diameter, gates, you can pause if you want to read all this. Reservoir, 22 billion gallons of water is how much it can hold. The recreation pool capacity right now probably about 13 million gallons, and it drains an area of 96 square miles. All right, so it's out there and there's somebody out there on the bridge, so I'm just gonna walk until they tell me not to. First bridge here, massive spillway. I thought the one at Little Pine State Park was kind of ridiculous, being a huge field and all, but this is gigantic. If it doesn't spill over now, there's a bulldozer down there. So yeah, we're gonna walk across here and then shoot out that way to the dam. So this is cool. Didn't know that we'd be able to go out here, but all right. So as I thought, not going up on the dam. There's a bar across there. Doesn't look like there's a walkway down here, and definitely a walkway back here. So do I want to go on the lake side or the outlet side? I guess the lake side looks a little less questionable. Looks like it might actually be park-like. All right, so nobody stopped me yet. Looks like there's a bunch of picnic tables down here. $13 billion gallons of water. All right, so not totally worth walking down the gradual descent to the bottom of the dam here on the lake side anyway. Maybe it's cooler on the other side. I don't know. I'm out of here. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and please hit that bell so you receive notifications when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Beltsville is pretty cool. Probably more of a summer fun place, maybe take the kayak out on the lake here. But yeah, I would come back here. Thank you for watching. Thanks for coming along, and we will see you next time.